this video, we will show you how to link Android phone on Windows 11. To link Android phone on Windows 11, we can open Microsoft Store. Then, we can open your phone application. If you already installed, you can just click Launch. If not yet, you can just click Get and Install. After you install, you just click Launch in here. And select Android if you have Android, and iPhone if you have iPhone. I choose Android in here. Then sign in on your Microsoft account. And click Continue. On your Android phone, please download this application. You can open this on your web browser. And this is the application is your phone companion. Then we can pair with QR code after we install the application. Now you can scanning your phone companion on your Android. After you pairing the device, just wait for the permission and you can click continue on your phone. Now this is your message and you can make calling in here and see photo and etc. That's all.